Hey everyone! Welcome to another tutorial on the Desire channel. In today's video, we're going to check out a powerful new AI video generator called Wan, which can create amazing videos, and right now, it's free since it's newly launched. To use it, go to Wan.Video. I've put the link in the description. Once you're on the website, log in with a Google account or any email, whichever is easier for you. Getting free credits. The first thing you need to do is get some free credits. Go to the credit section, and you'll see that you already have 50 free credits. But if you click on the checking button, you'll get 50 more. You can earn more free credits by 1. Logging in every day and clicking checking for an extra 50 credits daily. 2. Liking or disliking other users' videos, you'll get 5 credits per interaction, but you can only do this twice a day. 3. Creating videos and publishing them on the platform. If your video is approved by the Wan team, you'll get 20 credits per video. You can do this twice a day. Just remember, all credits expire after 30 days, so use them before they disappear. Generating AI images. Now, let's create an AI-generated image. Go to the AI image section and enter your prompt. I usually use ChatGPT to help me write detailed prompts. There's also an Enhance Prompt button. Clicking it will improve your prompt by adding more details automatically. You can also tweak it manually to add specific elements like lighting, colors, background, objects, and camera angles. You can also pick a style palette to match your preferred look. And if you leave inspiration mode on, the AI will add its own creative touch, though it might slightly alter your prompt. Now, I'll use the Wan 2.1 Plus version and click Generate Image. Once the image is created, I'll try the Enhance option to see how it improves. Generating AI videos. Now, let's turn our image into a video. Go to AI videos and make sure the image to video option is selected. You have two main options: text to video, image to video, which uses the image we just created. I'll enter my prompt, keep inspiration mode on. And enable sound effects for a more dynamic result. Now, I'll click generate video. As you can see, it takes some time to create even a 5-second clip. At the end of the video, I'll show you the final result. Now, let's try the text to video option. I'll select Wan.2.1 Plus, the latest version. The downside? It takes a while to process, but the quality is really good. I'll enter my prompt, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, keep inspiration mode on, and enable sound effects again. Then, I'll hit generate video and let it process. It will take a while, but I'll include the final result at the end of this tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support helps me create more content and introduce even more amazing AI tools. Now, let's check out the videos generated with this AI. Take care, and see you in the next video.